In this video, we're going to find the fraction halfway between 1/4 and 5/8. So exactly between 1/4 and 5/8. We want to find that midpoint. A few ways you could do it. You could add 1/4 plus 5/8 and divide by 2, and that would give you that midpoint. I like to get the denominators to be the same and then just compare the numerators. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply 2 times 4. That'll give me 8, same denominators. But I do also need to multiply the numerator by 2, since 2 over 2 is just 1. So 2 times 1, that's 2. 2 times 4 is 8. And 2/8, that's the equivalent fraction to 1/4. Over here, we're just going to keep it 5/8 since the denominators are now the same. So really, what I need to figure out, we can ignore the 8 since they're the same. What number is between 2 and 5? Probably the easiest way to figure it out is 2 plus 5, and then just divide it by 2. So 7 over 2, which equals 3.5. So now we have 3.5 over 8, and that's the fraction halfway between 2/8 and 5/8. I don't really like the decimal, so I'm just going to double the numerator and the denominator. 3.5 times 2 is 7, 8 times 2 is 16, and 7/16. That's the number, that's the fraction exactly halfway between 1/4 and 5/8. That's how I do it. I hope this helps. It's Dr. B, and thanks for watching.